Hello everybody, this is Will Stroll from Upendo Ventures, and I'm going to show you how to report a one-on-one in the Upendo networking software. First thing is make sure you're logged in. I'm logged in, I can tell because it says I'm logged in at the top with my name and the logout link. Next, click Grow. This is your growth dashboard. You'll find one-on-ones just below the meetings. Click on one-on-ones. Once here, you have a left column and a right column. The left column tells you about your own one-on-one activity, and the right column tells you about the one-on-one activity for the entire group. The center is where you report your own. Choose the person that you had a one-on-one with. Choose the date. You can only choose from the last 2 weeks. Choose the rating. This is something that's only going to be visible to you and the system. It helps the system learn. If you want to, give it an optional private note. And then just click the Report One-on-One link. At this point in time, what happens is you will get a confirmation that your one-on-one was submitted, and the other person will get a confirmation that the one-on-one was reported. At this point, they'll be able to confirm that they got the one-on-one. And as you could hear, I just got the confirmation. So my one-on-one is indeed reported. If you add it to Safe Senders list, you can see the logo, but now we can see that. And in all materials that are sent by the website, all these emails, if there's any comments added, they are only visible on the website for privacy purposes. That's all it takes to report a one-on-one in the Upendo networking software. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.